nutrition that is the cause of our illness from disease, and how are you treated?
Well, there are so many terrible foods available today. Let me give you a few examples. I would say that the sugar-sweetened beverages, Coca-Cola and Pepsi, those drinks, full of sugar, full of calories and nothing else, bad place to start. A lot of confectionery it doesn't score very highly either. Huge amounts of sugar, not much nutritional value. I'd have to include ice cream. The one exception that I would make would be chocolate. It's a little bit different. It contains high levels of flavanols, which are a form of polyphenol. They do have anti-inflammatory properties, but it depends what kind of chocolate you eat. If it's milk chocolate, it's too much sugar, not enough polyphenols. The right kinds of dark chocolate do contain enough polyphenols to, I think, have noticeable health-promoting effect. How can you re-educate children's palates? Well, I think to start with, it would help if parents stop using sweets as a reward. That sends all the wrong messages. It helps to push the developing child's palate in completely the wrong direction. If we could introduce more natural foods into the child's diet, not just at home, but at school as well. Basic produce, fruits, vegetables, nuts, whole grains, things like that. The usual nutritional litany that the government tries to promote. The problem is that the government budgets are completely dwarfed by the amount of money that the food companies, the multinationals, spend on advertising their toxic products to our children. So we're shouting into the hurricane. It's very hard to have our voices heard. So I think it's important for parents to convey this message personally and directly to their children. Now I know that parents are the last people children listen to, but still we should try.